So, hello friends, how are you? Happy festive season to all, especially happy Bhai Dooj. And I am again with a new weekly pick on breakout concept. So, it is GNFC Gujarat Narmada Fertilizer and Chemical. Okay, and remember, this is on weekly basis. You can see, okay, on weekly basis. Okay, so all we are discussing here, like target, stop loss, and entry, will be on weekly closing basis. So let's say why I picked this. So as you can see, let's put a trend line here from here. Okay, so if mark resistance level, you can see it is it is trading exactly at the point of resistance 665, and in fact it is trading some points about it. Okay, and more of it is consolidating. You can see from here to here, it is going nowhere, means it is being stronger. Okay, so you can consider it for study purpose. And then again, if we talk about the target would be this point. Okay, so this is how much is this? This is 923, so let's say 950 would be the target. Okay, and remember this is on weekly basis, so if you have to hold it for some weeks. Okay, and now let's talk about the stop loss. So stop loss would be from where the stock sustain the up move in near term. Okay, so you can see this big green candle, and it is supported by huge volume, so it is good. So we will take it as stop loss. Our stop loss would be 573.02, and remember again on weekly closing basis. Okay, so now you have got all the target and stop loss, target, stop loss, enterprise. It is currently trading. Hope you will do well. Okay, so bye, and meet you with again with new breakout talk. Thanks.